So for those of you that follow our videos, and maybe 2-3 years ago, if you'd looked at this line here, it was so cluttered you couldn't hardly walk. I am getting pretty excited. It's taken 2 years to get to the point where I'm to the walls, to the clean, getting it all cleaned up. We're getting all the cars moved up to Trinity for the final assembly. I think what we're going to do is paint chassis down here, assemble the chassis, paint the bodies, get the bodies on, maybe throw the motor in it, and then move them up there for all the final work. And I can condense all my parts that belong to turnkeys in one area, and I don't have stuff everywhere. So right now, Nick's car made it up top. So Nick's car is up at Trinity. We put the body on. If you've seen yesterday's video, you haven't seen it yet because I haven't uploaded it yet. But when you see yesterday's video, it's looking good. It's smooth. It is smooth. So I'm gonna put all his stuff in a box, get it all cleaned up nice, clean up everything. Phantom Pete is coming off the lift. We're ready to work on the rest of it. That's the rest of his pile of stuff. I can put it down over here. I can move Mike's car. So I'm gonna, by the end of the day, this is gonna be cleaned up. Gibby's gone, his nephew, Tracker is racing. Got 3 days of racing. He's 11 years old and he's racing with the big boys. He's in B mods, but that means you just, as soon as you win in B mods, you can't be in B mods anymore. So he's with other new guys, but they're not kids. They're adults in real cars. So he's going there with him for 2 days. Eddie's back, exciting. He got him a big buck. I'll have to let you see him talk about it. I'm sure he'll whip out his phone so y'all can see it. But Dave's painting away. So my day is getting started by kind of organizing and getting ready. Are you cooking water?
I'm microwaving breakfast.
Okay, ready for wet sanding?
Get ready for wet sanding.
All right, I've got that on-demand heater. I will bring it down. We'll work on that. And look who's back. Man, Eddie.
I got my nose in the wire in here.
You got your nose in the wiring for a minute, then you're going to finish up on some Model A interior.
Yeah.
And look at this. Like the gang's all here except Gibby.
Yeah, man. See, I made.
And Grumpy Santa's not here.
Made my own jig there. Yeah, see.
So that's what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
Orange crush.
Yep.
Gibby's got the holes all drilled. We're going to do a little touch-up paint on that.
Little touch up.
A little touch. So what you been up to? Are you going to tell us all about the big adventure?
Yeah, we ate good, killed a bunch of deer, and.
Well, they all want to see a picture. So you got to.
Oh, I've got a picture. I don't know if you can see it on that.
Well, we'll make sure. I can't believe I had to ask that.
Oh.
I didn't have to ask this morning.
I couldn't believe he got his hat on.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. No, it wasn't bad.
Herschel, what's for lunch? You're back, man. You've been doing church work
I've been
for like 2 weeks.
Work, yeah.
You can see it.
Oh, they can see that. Wait. The light is
Is it?
this way. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's
Pretty odd. So how many? 8, 10?
10 points.
10 point.
Yeah.
Look at the smile. Oh, you know you got him when you got the smile. Well, good job. So we're having deer chili and jerky.
Yeah.
All right, so we're working on this guy. I think we had all the parts here and get it moving ahead and out.
Yeah.
And as soon as you're done there, get on this. I kind of follow you as long as you're doing that.
I've got the frame and everything made for the seat. You got the wood all in it.
Got all the material while you were
Got
gone.
all the material, yeah.
So we'll get that done.
We'll get somebody bouncing up over the steering wheel.
Yep, that'll be good. So what's the good word for the day?
Well, the Lord is good. He's helped me. He's been my help in the time of need.
Last night you had a good one and it came out really good.
It
We
came
don't need to
out
talk
good.
about it, but it was like could have been bad and turned out
It-
better than it could ever
The
turned
Lord
out.
is blessing us, buddy, at the church, and you know what? It's wonderful. We had a lady get saved a couple of weeks ago, and I've been going to the hospital right and left from out of town, but you know what? Mark said, "You ought to be tired." I said, "I am, but it's a good tired."
Yeah, you missed it. Jenny's dad was here.
Oh,
Peter, and I know why Jenny's named Jenny.
yeah.
So that widened my lay sedan.
Oh, yeah. I hate I missed him.
We talked about you.
I hope it wasn't too bad.
Well, I had to get him to give a message. You weren't around, so
Yeah.
he's pretty good.
Well, that's good. I think I saw it. He did a good job.
He did a good job.
Yeah. You know, anytime you share the gospel, that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Well, I better go share my broom to the floor and push some of the junk out of the way and clean it up.
Well, you're setting a good example for your crew.
Oh, I'll go clean the
There's
toilets
nothing
and
you
do.
won't do.
There's nothing I won't do.
That's right.
And we won't even expand on that. So,
Amen.
all right. So we're ready for lunch here in a little while.
Yeah, we're going to have some pork tenderloin for lunch.
Oh, y'all are gonna miss it.
Yeah.
All right. Is this what it's all about right here?
This is what it's all about, buddy.
Lots of meat.
There's
Is it kosher?
No, sir.
No.
This right here.
Are you vegetarian? You look vegetarian today.
Yeah. Well, I'm sorry, but
Is there any vegetables here? Oh yeah, we got corn. Look at that corn is all cooked up.
No, it's
That's
baked
not
potato.
corn. Oh, baked potato.
Baked potatoes.
Oh
today.
man.
Going all out.
Okay. So it's a hot rod lunch.
That's right, buddy.
Baked potato.
We're ready.
Good job, Herschel.
Well, thank you, man.
I can smell the baby Ray on.
All right, so the gang's mostly all here for the hot rod lunch.
Yeah.
Best one ever done.
This is way better than McDonald's.
Heck yes, or something.
Or Sonic, yeah, Sonic in town here.
Yeah.
Good job, Herschel.
Y'all missed me, I can tell.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you're gonna come visit Spirit, you want to come on a Tuesday or a Thursday,
Yeah.
and then hope Herschel's here cooking.
Amen. Looks good.
Okay, it does. It looks good.
Yeah, nice red. I like that. Kind of a blood red.
Henry's hot rod, blood red,
They call it victory red, but
blood red.
if you compare it to that red, this is darker.
Yep.
That's flame red.
Okay. Looking good.
It's a beautiful machine, Henry. You got a nice looking hot rod now.
So you just painted or in the middle of painting the doors,
Been the doors, the
And the
deck
deck
lid, and the
lid.
grill.
and
I think after tomorrow, he'll be ready to go on my end.
Orange Crush. Do a little touch up on that.
Munch crush tomorrow.
Eddie's been working on
Well, we
finishing
got
up
buff
the.
still. We're gonna be bumping on this, but I mean, it shouldn't take me all day. I should be able to do a number of things in between. You know.
Yeah.
I don't like no downtime.
Nope. So I've been back a couple of years. I was gone for a few years. When I came back, see all this water on the floor?
Yep.
Nothing. We had water on the floor. Remember how it rains? It rains,
Yeah.
it comes in, but Gibby cleaned the drain so it kind of drains out. You like to work here? So there was water here, water there. Water went all the way over into the welding area. Water went all the way around, and basically, have you seen it really rain?
Well, from what I can understand, when it rains hard, evidently the sewer system or the drain system blocks up, and this doesn't work.
Well, it works. I think it works now. Gibby fixed it.
No, when it rained real hard, it wouldn't drain.
Well, because it drains out the back. And anyway,
Yeah, it was. It wasn't.
and it
going.
comes there.
So it comes in the door there, works its way over there, and I heard Daryl was standing over there in water one day, and he said he wasn't welding in water, but so yeah.
Exactly.
Well, we
I,
got it.
I left it like that for about a week. Just to see. Here's the story. You ever heard this story? It's a Henry Ford story. He was having a problem in one of his plants, and it was around Christmas time. So he went to find out what's going on. So he took and he put a Christmas tree in the hallway. And he watched. It was right in the way of everybody. You couldn't get by. I mean, you couldn't, it was just like in the way. Nobody moved the Christmas tree. He fired the entire management staff. Fixed his problem in.
Well, you know, Gibby, he ain't afraid to move nothing. He's moving stuff
Well, I mean,
all the time.
I would rather work with people that take pride in their work. Take initiative. How can you work in water? It was here for days, and I mean over your, like, soak your feet.
Yeah, you can't do that.
No. So this, I'm excited.
We need a comfortable working atmosphere to work.
Well, and have fun.
Absolutely.
Look at this. If you watch our
Look at the
videos,
row.
does
Look
that
at
look
that
different?
row.
And I'm clean to the walls. I cleaned up
Yeah.
over there. I haven't picked my pile up yet, but I will. I swept in some places
So
here.
we're gonna make a wager on how long it takes Gibby to mess it up.
Well, he'll mess it up, but he keeps it clean generally.
He does.
Yeah, we keep it orderly. Yeah.
He does. He does.
No, I swept places today that haven't been swept for years.
Oh, I'm sure.
So I'm getting to the corners. Blue Bayou, right there it is. It's mock-up time. I moved all Mike's parts over here.
Finally over here where it needs to be.
And working on this, I got a pile of his parts here. Got the center section. We're gonna mock it up. Mock it up, make sure everything fits. steering column in, make sure it's working. I think we already got all that. No, we don't.
Oh, we gotta go.
So we got to get steering column in, get all that
brake
done.
pedal,
Brake pedal, get it all done.
master cylinder cut.
Everything. We've widened the running boards. It's got wider fenders.
Look, the running boards look like in pretty nice shape.
Yeah, they're all good. He's got a metal hood that goes on it. Got to make sure these big old tires go underneath the wheels. And those are good looking.
I really like the wheels.
Fenders.
Hopefully he ties that gray into the paint job somehow.
Well, we'll
or
we'll
the
talk about it.
interior.
Yeah, somehow.
Yes.
Well, the interior's done.
Oh.
Yeah, the interior. No, the interior's not done. The interior's almost done. Eddie's got all the panels made. He's got leather, true leather.
That gray will go nice with some that blue.
Yeah. So
He's going aqua or what's he? Marine or what? No, that's what color is he going?
Blue Bayou. It's got some kind of tint that goes on top of it. You
Oh,
talk to
that's
him.
right. That's right.
Okay, so Mike is anxiously waiting his Phantom Pete.
Yep.
We did not have these. It's the trim pieces that go around the window.
Mm-hmm.
We had some, and Eddie upholstered them. These are the back ones, right here. He found them in fiberglass.
We gonna
So-
paint them?
No, we're gonna poster them like
Good.
the back ones.
Nice.
Good. So we'll get them fitted up in there. But it's down on the ground. We can work on it. So I've got all his parts moved here. He's got some parts underneath there that we're not using,
Side panels.
and
back
some
there.
parts over there. Well, side panels, we got the ones we made back there.
Oh, we got
Those are just aftermarket. They're not even side panels. They just look like it. So that's pretty exciting. This is like
yeah.
on the floor, ready to work on it again. We got all of the mean green machine sitting here. It's just waiting. Come on, give me a motor, give me some wheels, give me some tires.
Time is ready for time.
We'll send it up. Gibby's got the.
Could be a nice looking ride.
Yeah, we're probably gonna put the AC and everything in it here. We got to put the defarters in it, so let's do that here. In case you didn't notice, we don't have. What's it called?
Pure insanity.
Well, it's gone. Yeah. So Tim was here, drove that, and the Milner clone is
The Milner
whip
clone.
butter.
Yep, whip butters.
Whip butter is up in the other shop.
Yep, yep.
Eddie this morning was working on. So we got the gauges for this, which is a little bit different than our normal ones. He had the wiring loom all kind of put together. So now he made the loom for all that, made a jig for it. I think I showed it on the video earlier today.
They're working it over this morning.
Oh yeah, so that was you would have watched that video. You probably had got it more fresh in your memory than me because it's been a few hours ago.
How nice that back door is on there, would you?
Yeah. Wait, here we go. Wait, no. There we go. Everybody, is there such a thing as an emoji hand pat or something? Everybody, pat Dave on the back.
Nice gap.
Nice gap. Yeah, it's looking good. So we got to clean this up. Parts are for it over there.
Yep.
Parts for it over here. Got a couple more cars to move into the thing. Yeah, I'm just getting kind of excited. Weather's nice, feeling good.
Looks like a different shop. Clean.
Not yet. Not the way I want it.
It's cleaner than it was.
Oh, it's getting
Definitely
there.
organized and clean. Look at the back row.
Getting there.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna work on getting Trinity all lined up. So I think what we'll do in this shop from now on, paint the chassis here, assemble the chassis here, paint the bodies here, put the bodies on here, push them up the
Do
Trinity.
all the nasty, dirty work here, then take it
Put
up there.
the motors in them here,
Yep.
take them up there, and then do the finish work. That way I can keep all the parts and pieces that you need for finish work in one area.
You can keep me and Gibby separated a little bit, get him up there.
So other than that, we're assembling a
Yep.
34. We got to
Get
put
back to painting.
put that together.
Yeah, get it down in my hand.
Eddie's gone. He comes in early and leaves early, but he's been working on that Model A Roadster interior today.
And good night.
Yeah, say goodnight, Gibby.
You guys filming?
Gibby's at the races with his nephew tonight. Tracker, wish him well. We'll give a tracker report when he gets back. But here we go. What is it? Oh, this is.
All right, good night.
Yeah. Yeah, Tim Conway and Harvey Corman. Yeah, you guys, we got the knuckleheads here. So this is pure insanity. insanity, not pure. This is just insanity with the Hemi motor. So we can start putting some of this together and doing. I got some cars to move out over here. So anyway, that'll be the end of today's video. But look at that. I mean, it almost looks clean. Like we're ready to organize and do something. So that will be it for tonight. So I'm just dropping some stuff off at Trinity before I head to the house. And we got some big news. Man, look what we got today. Direct from China. Look at this. Look at the way they pack them even. Man. Stainless steel. If I can get it out of there. Polished stainless steel. Well, you're going to have to hold that a second. There we go. Windshield posts. Trump tariffs, whatever. It doesn't matter. We're going to fix the supply chain. And there we go. We got a bunch of them here, it looks like. I don't know if we got another pallet coming too or just one, but anyway, pretty exciting. Pretty exciting for us. So, if you've been waiting on your windshield posts, guess what? They're coming. We're also having some tube made over there to make our windshield frames. We can get it domestic, but all of a sudden the price of that went about more than that, almost 10 times what we were paying for it. So what we're gonna do is get it made on our own for what we can get. Just for 1,000 feet, we can probably get 10,000 feet from over there. So got a few pallets of stuff in. I hear Josh on the forklift out there now. Let's get it all packed in and fixing the supply chain.